Good morning, everybody. Today, me and my group is going to present a PPT on the topic sustainability in Sikkim.
Sustainable management. Sustainable management is the intersection of business and sustainability. It is a practice of managing a firm's impact on the three bottom lines: people, planet, and profit, so that all three can prosper in the future. Why sustainable management is necessary? Sustainable management of natural resources is necessary because it helps in judicious use of resources without overuse and compromising with the needs of future generation. Out of reuse and recycle. Reuse is better to practice because for recycling of materials it requires energy as well as money. How can you live a sustainable life? First, by reducing household energy use, by saving water. Third, trash should be properly disposed. Fourth, don't rely much on your car. Fifth, plant seeds. And sixth, resell and donate items.
Sustainable development in Sikkim. The opposition against the industrial agriculture, the sustainability in the food production, and the defense of the local and small producers. These are the reasons why Sikkim has received the Future Policy Award 2018 during the ceremony in Rome in the headquarters of FAO. It is a very important reward given to the countries that are contributing to improve the environmental and social conditions for the present and future generations. From climate alone, Sikkim will be a refuge and could become a model for survival and sustainability. Sikkim also brings with a progressive culture and governance, along with many high quality universities. For these also, Sikkim is already positioned to lead the country in sustainable development. Resources of Sikkim. Copper, lead, and zinc are mined in Sikkim. The state also has deposits of other minerals, including coal, graphite, and limestone. Only a fraction of Sikkim's mineral resources are commercially exploited. Power and electricity in Sikkim. The hydroelectric potential of Sikkim's Teesta River system is considerable. There are few large hydroelectric stations and many smaller plants that provide energy to Gangtok, Rangpo, Singtam, and Mangan. Rural electrification has remained a government priority.
And that brings us to an end. We would like to thank you for your time and attention. A presentation by Arman, Aryan, Harshit, Jayant, and Kushagra.